Introducing the new Luxair ceramic Hi-light Hobs from Luxair. Our new range are made from the very best components, ensuring trouble-free cooking at affordable prices. The Luxair are available in 4 sizes: 60, 70, 80 and 90 centimetres. Each hob has a stylish beveled edge made from Eurocera glass and is pre-wired for easy installation. All our ceramic hobs feature a slider control to easily change the cooking level. Simply select which ring you want to change and then move the slider left or right to alter the output. The 60, 70 and 80 centimetre hobs feature 2 heat extension zones that allow for larger pans or cooking equipment. The 90 centimetre versions have 1 heat extension zone in the middle of the hob. Each hob has a residual heat indicator that will show a H sign on the controls. This is to show the ceramic glass is still hot, even though the ring is not glowing red. When the H symbol is showing, don't touch the heating zones and don't put any heat-sensitive objects on them. Other features include 10 cooking levels, a timer function from 1 to 99 minutes, a child lock, overflow protection and a pause function. Installation of our hobs is very simple. Ensure the cutout is to the dimensions provided. Place the ceiling padding tape around the cutout to ensure the hob or your worktop is not damaged. Place the hob in the cutout and secure from underneath. Each ceramic hob has a different power consumption, starting at a minimum of 7 kW up to 9.5 kW. All specifications and a breakdown of each heating zone can be found on our website, www.luxairhoods.com. Luxair also supplies ducting kits, splashbacks and accessories required for the installation of this hood. Luxair, extraction with attraction.